Tax season's rolling right along, and while responsible citizens pay their dues, some not-so-upstanding folks aim to get paid through less than honest means. Enter our friends the cybercriminals, who are fishing for victims like a cat waiting for an unsuspecting goldfish.
Goldfish?
That's right. It was a goldfish.
Prepare for a lot of aquatic puns.
Fish puns.
This week's scam involves an email disguised as a government form. It'll have a tempting little link to a downloadable PDF, complete with helpful instructions in case the link acts fishy. You were warned. But don't be lured in. Clicking the link is like opening Pandora's box of malware. Nasty software that can steal your data faster than you can say tackle box. Remember, these scammers aren't just after your cash, they want your personal information too. Here's how to avoid becoming their next catch. Update your devices. Software updates are like force fields that help keep cybervillains at bay. Report suspicious emails to your organization. You can be the real hero by reporting those messages and thus keeping everyone safe. Be super skeptical of any unsolicited emails. This is especially true of anyone claiming to be from the government or a financial institution.
You're not a cop.
If something seems fishy, double-check directly with the sender by giving them a call. Stay alert out there, and don't let the bad guys hook you, last one, promise, or your organization.